video in this video I'm going to be walking you step by step how you'll be able to get SUPER GROK for less than $30, because a lot of people are actually getting it for either $30 or $40. But for me, I'm going to be walking you through how you can be able to get Grok AI for less than $30, and you are going to be paying $7 for it. So make sure you actually watch the video all the way from beginning to the end so that you don't miss out on anything, because any step that you just miss, just know that the procedure will not be able to work. So make sure you actually watch the video all the way from beginning to the end. And for me, I'm actually located in Ghana, and if you look at the subscription here in Ghana, it is actually 570 cedis, which is actually about $40 to $50. But we are not going to be using this particular thing. So first of all, we are going to be going to X, Twitter. So we are going to be going to Twitter. So if you are actually not having Twitter account, you need to actually create a Twitter account. And if you are also having Twitter account, that's actually great. So when you actually come to your Twitter account, this is what you need to do after creating an account if you don't have one. And if you also have one, this is what you need to do. So you need to actually click on get verified. Just click on get verified. And when you click on get verified, this is the interface that is actually going to pop up. These are the interfaces that are actually going to pop up. You can see we are having two options. We are having two options here. We have 77 cedis, and 77 cedis is about $7. And we also have this particular subscription. We also have this particular subscription. So we also have the other subscription, which is actually $3.89. And if you look at this particular part, where we have Grok AI usage limited high under the 77 cedis, you can see that when you actually sign up for, like verify with Grok AI, or you verify your account, you're going to be getting like usage limit, but you are going to have access to Grok AI. And what they mean is that the first free version that we were using, you're going to get access to it when you actually subscribe with 77 cedis, which is actually $7. And if you want to get full access to Grok, that is actually SUPER GROK, this is where you're going to actually pay it. And if you look at this particular amount, it is also less than the actual amount that we were actually, like, when we want to use the main Grok app, the amount that you are going to pay. But make sure that you don't mess up. So when you actually click on this like start start at 389, let's say you are using the 389, or you are actually using this 77. So when you click on it, you're going to get verified. You're going to, like, you put your details and everything and get verified. And when you now come back here, you now go back to Grok. Go back to Grok, because when you actually pay for every subscription there, the price is going to be low. So you come back to Grok like this. And when you come back to Grok, I want to log out of my account to show you guys something. Let me log out of my account. So let me log off my account to show you guys what you normally do. Click on OK. So after you actually log out of your account, you need to now log out of your account. And when you log out of your account, you now click on the login. And when you want to log in, click on continue with X. So you click on where they are saying continue with X. And when you now continue with X, you are going to be logged into your X account. And in your X account, you are having access to Grok, like the SUPER GROK or the Grok. You're going to be logged into your account, like your X account, using your X account. And in that particular account, you're already having subscription to either Grok or SUPER GROK. And that way, you'll be able to use the Grok, the main Grok, without paying much as compared to when you want to use the main app to actually pay for the subscription. So I'm actually waiting for this particular thing to load so that you guys can see how it is actually going to look. So when you now click and it actually open, this is what you are going to see, and they are going to tell you that you should give authorize to your the X app, and you click on authorize app. So when you click on authorize app, it is actually going to load the Grok itself, like it is going to lock using your X account. So let's wait for it to actually log in. Let's for it to log in. Okay, you can see that now we are actually in the Grok app. We are actually in the Grok app, but we use our Twitter account. We use our X account to log in. And if you look, for me, I've not actually subscribed. I just show you guys the steps that you can actually follow to get there. I haven't actually subscribed because this particular my account is actually having issues. But other people that other people have actually done it and it is actually working for them. So that's why I just want to show you guys. But for this account that I'm actually using for this, the account is having an issue. I'm trying to verify and I'm not able to actually verify my account on X. So make sure you use these particular steps and it is actually going to help you a lot. So I think this particular video is going to help a lot of people to achieve good results with less amount. They are going to spend less and be able to get super grok. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.